Well, this is Chef Brandon again, and we're going to do another food review, and once again, here's our host, John Watson. All yours, John, All right, thank you very much there, Chef Brandon. And yes, this is going to be another food review, and this time I'm wearing a Santa Claus hat, and we're going to do Little Debbie's Cherry Cordials snack cakes. And just like the Chips Ahoy that I did yesterday, I bought these at the Dollar General as well. So I thought I'd go ahead and give these a try. And once again, in the spirit of Christmas. And once again, blow up my Christmas tree. So, okay. Okay, let's see here. Down here, and they smell interesting. Here's what they look like. Ooh, smells like cherries. These do look good. Wow. Tastes like chocolate covered cherries. These are pretty good. Kind of reminds me of those moon pies. These are pretty good. Well, I want to thank you again for watching this food review video. And I hope you'll have a Merry Christmas, which is now 9 days away. So I hope again you'll have a good Christmas this year. And may God bless you all. Thank you for watching this food review video. Goodbye and take care.